Alright guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today we have a nice little selection of some carbon fiber accents for the Honda Civic. Let me flip you all around. So we have some side pieces here that go on the interior. This is the center console piece. And then we have these pieces right here that actually go up on the dash. So let's take a look of the before. So here's the before. Let me bring y'all out a little bit. Right here. Before on the center console. And basically these are all just 3M tape, as you can see here. So we'll just peel all that off and stick them on, and then I'll bring y'all back to some footage here. Here we go. set of carbon here we got is for the door panels. The little piece here that goes around where the switches are. So it's basically the same concept. It's got tape on the back and just stick them on. So let me get them all unwrapped here and then we'll bring y'all back. Basically here, this is just a bunch of carbon fiber accents that you can get on eBay. I'll leave the link below where it just kind of dulls up the interior a little bit to kind of get away from just the basic look, especially with a black car. So I think the carbon fiber accents kind of bring out, making it look a little bit more of a upper class Honda Civic, you know, like you paid more money for it. And also, you know, it'll protect all the plastic. You can peel it off real easy. Clean most of the glue up with some, you know, isopropyl alcohol. So, anyway, so far, we've had them on there for a couple of months. They've been holding up just fine. We haven't went through a Texas summer yet with them, so we'll see how well that does. And maybe I'll remember to do a upload on how well they're still holding up. But as far as that, they look really good. I think it really addresses like increasing value of the car, maybe, as you could say. But anyway, I'll try to leave the link below on all the parts that I bought. It's fairly cheap for this model. Now, if I wanted to try to get them from a Honda Fit, man, they're like so much more expensive. It's ridiculous. So, depending on the model, year, it costs a lot more, but these were super cheap for the 2019 Honda Civic. So anyway, thanks for watching. If you made it this far,